Hello guys, welcome to Gossipfunda. My name is Abhiyanshu Rao and today's topic is fix call ended problem or outgoing calls not working. You need to first check these 4 things. Your mobile network. You must have a good mobile network. Check your mobile balance. You must have balance to make calls. The number which you are dialing should be correct. And at last, do check your outgoing validity. Check that it is not expired. Now let's get to the solution. Go on to dialer. Tap on these 2 dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on settings. At the bottom you'll see an option carrier call setting. Tap on it. Tap on call bearing. Tap on the SIM which is giving you the problem. Check whether all the settings are turned off or not. In mine it's all off. Now go into mobile settings. Then tap on SIM card and mobile data. Tap on the SIM that you have tapped earlier. Turn off this enable button and then turn it on. Come back to home screen. Tap the power button. Slide to restart your device and you are done. After restarting your device, your call ended problem or outgoing calls not working issue must be solved. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing vlogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.
Past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can